Który ze swoich eksperymentów pamiętasz najlepiej?
I remember one of my first experiments. I always was playing with tools and taking things to pieces and trying to fix things. And I used to shop at a little electronics shop because I used to make printed circuit boards, and my bedroom was this weird place. You couldn't come near it because it would kill you. And I got these 20 flash guns, you know, from a camera. So I had these 20 flash guns, and I took them all to pieces, and I wired them all up in parallel, which means you're not increasing the voltage, just the power of the current, more current. And I wanted to create lightning in my bedroom, and I accidentally electrocuted myself with what worked out to be around 40,000 volts. And it shot me back through, out of my seat, back against the wall. And I didn't know this, but I was unconscious for probably about 3 hours. And that was one of my first, things go wrong. When you experiment, things go wrong. And I would like to say to anyone listening to this, don't buy flash guns and try and create lightning. It's not a good idea.